Looking to get BNB on the BNB chain, but don't have access to Binance or other exchanges? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to use MetaMask's built-in bridge to quickly and efficiently convert ETH into BNB in just a few steps. BNB is essential for interacting with applications on the BNB chain. Whether it's paying low transaction fees or exploring tokens like Margin 10, which offer up to 1.5x exposure to the top 10 cryptocurrencies, having BNB opens the door to DeFi. Step 1 is to withdraw ETH from an exchange like Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet. Log into your exchange account, select ETH, and choose the Ethereum network. Enter your MetaMask wallet address, confirm the withdrawal, and wait for the ETH to arrive. Next, use MetaMask's built-in bridge to convert ETH into BNB. Open MetaMask and connect to the Ethereum network. Select the bridge option. Choose ETH as the source token and BNB as the destination. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. MetaMask finds the best rates and simplifies the process by bridging and swapping ETH into BNB in a single step. Once completed, your BNB will appear in your MetaMask wallet on the BNB chain. Now that you have BNB, you're ready to interact with the BNB chain's DeFi applications. For example, Margin 10 provides up to 1.5x leveraged exposure to the top 10 cryptocurrencies, utilizing a dual momentum trading system to optimize performance. Now you know how to access BNB on the BNB chain without Binance. Like and subscribe for more crypto guides, and start exploring DeFi opportunities today.